The Rashtriya Shram Sevak Sangha (RSS) on Sunday condemned the ongoing violence in Manipur and appealed to the government, including local administration, police, security forces and central agencies to take every possible step to restore peace immediately. In a statement, RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosable also urged them to ensure a seamless supply of relief materials to those displaced due to violence, along with necessary reactions to maintain peace and harmony in the northeastern states. Stressing that there is no place for hatred and violence in a democratic setup, the RSS said both sides should overcome the trust deficit which caused the present crisis and initiate dialogue to restore peace. The RSS appealed to the civil society, political groups and general public of Manipur to take every possible initiative to put an end to present chaotic and violent situation and also ensure safety of human lives and permanent peace, he said.